In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the eBay app on your Android device. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial, as updates typically bring new features, performance enhancements, and important security fixes. So let's get started on ensuring your eBay app runs as smoothly as possible. First, let's open the Google Play Store. On your Android phone, you'll want to locate the Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer and give it a tap. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that's linked to your device to proceed smoothly. Next, we're going to search for the eBay app within the store. Just tap on that search bar sitting right at the top of the screen. When you're ready, type in eBay and hit that search button. This will bring up the eBay app page, which is exactly where we need to be for the next step. Now, what we're looking for here is the update button. If you see the option to update, go ahead and tap it. This means that there's a newer version of eBay available and you'll want to get that on your device. However, if you see an open button instead, good news, your eBay app is already up to date with the latest version available. If an update is required, just give it a moment to download and install. It typically just takes under a minute. Once the update process is complete, it's time to restart the app. You can tap open directly from the Play Store to launch eBay right away, or if you prefer, you can close all your apps and reopen eBay from your home screen. This ensures that the most recent updates, including any new features and fixes, are fully implemented. Now here's a handy tip. You might want to consider enabling auto updates for your eBay app. This feature saves you the hassle of manual updates in the future. To enable this, open your Play Store once more, then tap on your profile icon at the top. Navigate to Manage Apps and Device and head over to Manage. Locate the eBay app, tap on the three dots in the corner, and then choose Enable Auto Update. Doing this ensures you'll always have the latest version ready to use without any extra effort on your part. If you don't see the update button and things aren't looking as expected, don't worry, a couple of quick fixes can help. Clearing the Play Store cache often resolves minor issues, which you can do by going into Settings, then Apps, select Play Store, navigate to Storage, and clear the cache. A simple restart of your device can be helpful too. Finally, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, as updates might not appear if you're only on mobile data. And that's it! With these steps, your eBay app should be up to date and ready to offer you the best experience possible. Thanks for watching, and until next time.